the presence of two of my 5 children, Dr. Siri Oshomole and Jane Achi Aduku. Let me appreciate all my friends that are here. But I have forgotten, perhaps easily, the most important and in fact, the real digital authentic coverage. My own president, the one whose election was never a subject of judicial scrutiny, the one whose election was an example of the quality of democracy that characterized the activities of Nigerian working people. I am talking of President Abdul Wahid Omar, President of the NLC, and of course, the President of the TUC, members of the National Administrative Council of the NLC, including the Acting General Secretary, Comrade Uyo. Because the protocol list was not written, I imagine there will be several other dignitaries that are here. In any case, everyone present in this stadium this afternoon, we appreciate you as very special. And I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. It is only natural that I reflect on my late wife. Exactly 4 years ago, she was here, standing by my wife in her khaki to identify and to stand by me. He had done that all her life. She struggled with me while I was in the NLC. She gave me confidence when I was in doubt. She brought me closer to God by reminding me that once God was by us, no forces on the planet can defeat us. She taught me those lessons. But when we trust in God, everything is possible. 4 years ago, she was here. Today, she is not here. But we cannot question God's judgment. On the contrary, we give thanks to God that He had blessed us with 5 children, 2 of whom are here, and 2 of them already mother in their own right. And they have given me a new title of being one of the youngest digital godfathers on the planet. I want to appreciate her on this occasion, and I pray to God Almighty to continue to grant her eternal rest in heaven. Your Excellencies, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, today will not have been possible but for the mercy of God. When we reflect on where we are coming from, the story of a state that was under the grip of few godfathers and associate godfathers. A state whose people have been persuaded to give up, that although in a democracy they are supposed to be the driver, they were reduced to distant, miserable spectators. We all have given up that there is nothing any man or woman can do about the fact of our state being privatized